Probably it wasn't pretty, but it was 3 points, much needed.
Important 3 points for us. The game wasn't pretty, but you know it was always going to be a tough game against Newtown. They're a good, physical, strong outfit, and it took a well work of a little bit of practice from Nash. Nice little through ball for Deck, and a simple tap in for JK.
You've not been on the best run of form recently. What do you put that down to? Is it?
It's football, isn't it? Things sometimes you don't get the rub of the green. We don't want to be in this position. Our aim was to be in top 6. We're in this position, but that's football, and things change very, very quickly. And hopefully now we can get on a good run.
I'm really disappointed with the goal that we've conceded. It was 1 lapse of concentration, and they've punished us. But apart from that, I thought it was a close game. It was a game I expected to see today.
Before the game, I made them aware of that we haven't kept a clean sheet in a while. So it was important that we did. And you know, once you are keeping clean sheets, you've got a good strong chance in the game that you might nick one, and that's what's happened today.
The target is 7th, but there's some really, really tough games ahead of us, and we know in the bottom 6 it's going to be a battle against whoever we play. So we've got to make sure we turn up and make sure we're working for each other and working for the club, and like we always do. And hopefully we can continue getting 3 points on the ball week in, week out.